Here are the announcements for Friday. This is day 40. Here we have UAEL. Our choice project is one way that we can fulfill the learning target of molding and shaping our musical life outside of band. Take a look at the assignment. There are many parts to it, so make sure you look at not only the description and also what's included in what you need to write about, but also the two links that are attached. One is a video that explains everything, and the other one is a nice long list of all the opportunities that you could get points for in the choice project. It is Funky Friday, so today we're going to do something different. Next week we have 2 days of band only. Actually, I think that's wrong because we have Monday off. So we have band Wednesday and Friday, actually. Funky Friday today. Here's the picture that describes what we're going to do today. Can you tell what we're going to do? A quick announcement here about the Day of Clarinet. It's been postponed to Saturday, March 21st. Tori and Karen are both amazing lesson teachers in our area, and they are top-notch performers in the country, actually. So we're going to check this out. There's a pre-registration. They want to know if you're coming or not. So if you play clarinet, you can go right to that link now and tell them that you're committed. They want to know pretty soon. So any birthdays, let me know. We still do have some missing forms. So if your name's on here, come up and see me as soon as you get to band, and we can try to take care of those forms. This week is bass clarinet week. Next week we're going to try some of the low woodwinds in the saxophone family. Would anyone like to introduce the 6th grade band song at the band festival just like last year? I need a volunteer at each concert to introduce the 6th grade band, and then tell us what band means to you or what music has done for you in your life. Why is it important? Why should a 6th grader sign up for 7th grade band next year? Quick tip number 39, rehearsal at school is about 20% of our growth. Most of the way that we get better is through practice at home. And if you're not having fun, you're doing it wrong. Every day is the goal. Good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is your better and your better is your best. And that's a Dr. Seuss quote. Here's the joke of the day. Somebody sent me this. Apparently the back of a clarinet has a resemblance. If you're curious what is the difference between a euphonium and a baritone, you can check this out or Google it. There are different styles of them, and sometimes they've even been named incorrectly in the past. Let's read our learning target out loud. I can do things outside school to mold my life as a musician. And the essential question, what music activities am I interested in? And the language objective and the rudiments and grooves of the week are right there. Your homework is to make sure you watch these videos and then begin working on your choice project. Player profile number 2 was already due, and here's the agenda. Let's get started. We're still working on breathing tubes and working out of our books. Number 37, and today we're going to play Stars and Stripes and Star Wars. All right, here we go.